Hello students, welcome to the fourth video of the lecture series Target HS 2019 Physics. Today we will be discussing the chapter Electromagnetic Induction. But before that, if you have not watched my videos on the previous units, then please go through those. The links has been given in the description box. I hope these videos will be helpful to you in the last minute revision for the upcoming final examination. So, let us start today's unit. First we have the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and Lenz law. In Lenz law, generally a question comes for 2 marks asking you to establish that Lenz law is in accordance with the law of conservation of energy. If you do not have the notes on this, then go to our official website and download it from there. The link is given in the description box. Numericals on induced EMF is of prime importance in regard to your finals and also any kind of entrance examination. Then you have the topic self-induction. In this topic, you need to study the definition, SI unit and dimension of coefficient of self-induction, derivation of formula for self-inductance of a solenoid and energy stored in a coil. Numericals from these topics is highly probable, so don't miss any numericals. And finally in this topic, you have the determination of induction of a combination of coils. This is very similar to what you have been doing in the combination of resistors. Next topic is mutual induction. Here also you need to study the definition, SI unit and dimension of coefficient of mutual induction. In this topic, get your concepts clear on the role played by the primary coil for the generation of EMF in the secondary. Then you may be asked to derive mutual induction of 2 solenoids, 2 concentric coils and 2 coaxial coils. Do not make any confusion between concentric and coaxial as they are 2 different entities. The next topic is motional EMF, one of the most likely topic from which conceptual questions might be set in the examination. Then you have eddy currents and their applications. Remember that eddy currents are produced only in solid block conductors and not in coils. The last topic in this unit is coil rotating in a uniform magnetic field. This topic is actually a bridge taking you to the unit alternating current. This topic will be again studied in the chapter AC under the heading AC generator. Derivation of expression for induced EMF when a coil is rotating in a uniform magnetic field is an important as a 3 marks question. So that's all about this unit. I hope this video will be helpful for your final examination. If you have liked my video, then press the like button, subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet, and do press the bell icon for regular updates.